Got a really good idea for the jungle gym upgrade. Okay, so my power rack has this lat pull down bar. A lot of them have it, and there's your pull down area. All right. Mine also pulls from there too, but it pulls from up here. That's the model number. Got a really cool idea. I'll show you the parts. Okay, this is everything I believe I will need to do this. Some chain, some carabiners. Let's see what this is called here. Right there is bought at Home Depot. Basically, it's just a length with holes in it. Real sturdy, thick wall. 1/2 inch solid pipe, and then that wheel. That wheel, I'm just going to take this wheel off. I'm going to grind that, and all I'm going to use is this part here. You will see later. This right here, I just got some good hardwood, drilled through it, 1/2 inch. This is how I found center. I basically found center and met in the middle. You got a drill press, you can do it pretty easy, but as you can tell, I had no trouble. This will lock the pedals on. This right here will hold it on, hold the rod on to the bar. This is the eyelet that will pull the cable. You can see, I'm going to go through here, hook a cable pin so I don't have to have it permanently attached. I can pull it off and on, and attachment. Okay, here we go. In the plans, I didn't see this, but if you look, the wood would have caught the block. So, the solution is really easy. Just add a washer here and here before putting the lock, which makes these things spin real nice. And I am going to add grip tape. I think I'm going to put grip tape on there. I have some for my grip training because I hate using chalk. I think it'll work real good here and make this really nice because it looks like it's going to come out nice. And there you go. Grip tape, skateboard tape, step tape, Home Depot. 3M makes a good brand. Okay, so you cut the wheel off that wheel, and then all we're going to do is make sure, well, this is about the good height, you know, about midway travel to a little higher than midway travel of how high you want this to end up being at the end. This is about 18 inches off the ground, just below the pad. I made sure it didn't interfere with the pec deck when the bench is there, so this is perfect for me. Okay, so you hook a chain, you bring it down here, you get whatever height you're going to need to get your clavicle, right? And I really overloaded to see if it was going to do a lot. Has a lot of help there. That puts me in the 15 pull-up range, and I'm overweight right now and can only do 2. So this really helps. Anyway, let's back up, and you can see the whole thing. It's actually hillbilly, we'll call it hillbilly fucking Gravitron. A whole lot better than bands.